everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps. Today I'm going to show you how to work into the back bump of a chain. So here I have several chains, and you can see on the front of a chain you have a V shape that has a top loop and a bottom loop. If we flip that chain over, you see these bumps on the back, and those are called the back bumps. So normally when you work into a chain, you'd go under either just the top loop or under two loops here. But if you work into just the back bump, that leaves the pretty V shape exposed on the other side, so you get a nice finished edge without having to put an edging on it. So this is how you work into the back bump. After you make your chain, rotate your work over and find the back bump of that stitch that you want to work into. Now I'm doing single crochet, so I'm skipping the first chain and I'm working into the back bump of the second chain. Okay? And then I just work my single crochets like normal into the back bump. Now after I've done a few, I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. Here you can see that the nice pretty V stitches are exposed. It looks just the same on the bottom as it does on the top. So you have a nice even edge without having to put an edging on. And that's how you work into the back bump of a chain. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.